So I'm stepping away from the boats for a little bit this morning and doing a little CCO waterfront house hunting. We have a beautiful home in Old Cutler Bay. So I'm gonna meet George and we're gonna preview this house today. I think you guys are gonna love it. It's exactly what we're looking for. So there you have it. We hope you guys enjoyed that Old Cutler Bay home. It's an amazing property and available right now for sale. So if there's anything we can do for you guys in or around the water, we'd like to help you out, whether it be real estate, finding about restaurants, events, opportunities, just about anything. We'd like to thank you for following CCO Waterfront, and much more to come soon.